Hey everyone, we have already begun with the second chapter, that is market segmentation. Okay, so market segmentation, it is a process of dividing the total market into different sub market or groups, okay, by using some definite criteria. So it might be on the basis of age, it might be on the basis of location, income, purchasing power, buying behavior, or any other type of criteria. We are going to divide the market, and on the basis of the product whatever we are manufacturing, we are going to target those people, okay, or those group. So that is your market segmentation. So in the previous class we have taken care of your three levels of market segmentation, okay. So that is your mass marketing, segment marketing, local marketing. So today we will see the remaining two, individual direct marketing and your niche marketing, okay. So what is this individual direct marketing? Okay, it is also called as direct individual marketing also. So here the name itself says it is direct, okay. So you are going directly to the individuals and you are communicating about your product, you are selling your product to those individuals, okay. So here the marketer targets the individual customer through direct communication or salesman, okay. So maybe we have seen a lot, we have experienced a lot of direct marketing experiences, okay. We also, maybe some sales people had come to your home with your product, so that is what direct marketing, okay. So here the basic channels of your direct marketing may be text messages, it might be your email, phone call, or catalog distributions. So these things come under your individual direct marketing, okay. So this is mostly used for business to business marketing where more attention is required, okay. So here such kind of businesses which require a lot of attention, they go for your individual direct marketing. Suppose if you are going for a new business setup, okay, at that time this one is very suitable for you all, okay. Why? Because you can go to people personally, you can explain your product personally, you can clarify their doubts if they are having any, and whenever you are going for personalized messages, emails and all, so what happens, the customers will might be they feel to take your product, okay. So that is what individual direct marketing. Next comes your niche marketing, okay. So niche marketing, for you can expect it for 5 marks, okay. So you can expect as what is niche marketing and what are its benefits or advantages, okay. So what is this niche marketing? Niche market is a group of customers or business that everyone has a specific need or want, okay. Here the market segment is very small. See, in the market, whatever the marketing is there, what we are going to do, first we are going to divide the total market, what we call it as segmentation, okay. Then we are going to find out who are our target consumer. So in niche marketing you are going for a particular segment, okay, particular target or particular class of people who have similar taste, who have similar wants, who have similar needs, okay. Now for example, aloe vera juice, okay. Just take the example of aloe vera juice. Nowadays in this time, okay, in the midst of the pandemic, everybody has become health conscious and everybody is focusing on immune system, okay. That is how to strengthen the immune system, and lots of companies are working on it. Lots of companies are offering you various products which help you to build your immune system, okay. So here there are certain companies who are trying to focus only on certain set of people, okay. For example, aloe vera juice, there are lots of company who have come up with aloe vera gels and all, okay. So suppose at this time if you are going for aloe vera juice, at that time you are attracting the customers who are specific to your needs, okay. Who on the basis of the need of the people, you are going to focus on the smaller part of people, okay. Or you can take the example of your Harley Davidson bike, okay. Maybe you know this bike, or you can take the bike industry, okay. So in bike industry you have various kinds of bikes. In that, let's take your Harley Davidson, so which is your cruiser bike, okay. So now what happens is everybody won't go and demand for this bike, okay. Only the specific people who are only who can afford it, okay, those will go and buy the Harley Davidson bike, okay. So now what happens is, when you are popular, okay, with your niche means what, smaller target, even outsiders will be attracted towards you, okay. You are going to start with a smaller target of people, that is you won't focus on the total market, you will focus only on the smaller area or only on the smaller segment, okay. For example, okay, in starting this Harley Davidson, okay, they had made this bike for those people who work from Monday to Saturday, and those who are bored from their daily routine, that is 9 to 5 job, those who are bored. Okay, so on Sunday, when they are bored with their routine, they can go for a longer rides. Okay, and so that's why these cruise bikes were made. Okay, so that on Sunday they can go for long rides and have some fun and feel some relaxation and all. So it was for those people who loved long rides, so it was profitable for such people only. Okay, so this company Harley Davidson, they fixed it, okay, that this bike is for such people, okay, for that age group. Okay, but what happens, basically this was the reason behind manufacturing your cruise bikes. Okay, after it became a passion for some people. Okay, because when it came to India, it became a passion for the rich people especially. Okay, like if you have Harley Davidson bike, you have a class, you belong to rich class. Okay, in this way, in our country it took another kind of mode, so there were rallies and all. Okay, so that is what. But what was the basic thing of manufacturing this bike? It was what? It was to create a leisure for people. Okay, leisure, and give them relaxation after their work. Okay, so that is what they are concentrating on, specific class of people. Okay, then coming to your channels also. Okay, there are lots of channels in your TV, but suppose if you go for your Star Cricket, okay, it is only for the audience. That channel is created for the audience who love cricket, who love to watch cricket. Okay, if you watch that particular channel, you will find cricket. Okay, so that is what niche. Okay, they are focusing only on specific audience who love cricket. Okay, you might take the example of some other things also. Okay, your BMW car and all. So BMW car and all, they won't go for more advertisement and all, because they know that whatever the production is being made, it is for specific class of people, that is maybe business people, high class people. Okay, that's why they won't spend more on advertising. They spend only on focus, only on the specific people or group. Okay, now you might take the example of some local areas also. Okay, local products also, you can go for niche marketing on the basis of the taste and preferences of the people. Okay, now your home bakes and all. Okay, in the previous class I told you about some home bakes. Okay, so nowadays homemade cakes and all are on trend. Okay, now suppose if you have started the local market, that is of your homemade bakes and all, homemade cakes, what will you do? You will try to find out such customers who are interested in homemade items. Okay, so as we know, homemade items will be costlier. Okay, because maybe the raw materials used are also costly over there, whatever the ingredients are used. Okay, so it might be costly. So here, as the marketer or as the seller, as a manufacturer, you are going to find such audiences who are interested to buy your product. Okay, who are ready to pay for your product. Okay, so you might think it is hard for you all to grow. No. Okay, so once when you are growing slowly, once when you are establishing your business, it will be easy for you all to grow in the long run. Okay, and here you can charge the more price also. Why? Because here you are focusing on quality or maybe on some other criteria. Okay, so that is your niche marketing. See here in the image also, you can see there are lots of people, but under your niche. Okay, people in the sense, here see, you can see the groups over here. Okay, group of 4 people, but here in that group of 4 people, you are selecting only one specific group. Okay, and you are totally focusing on them only. Okay, now let's see what are the benefits of your niche marketing. Okay, so your niche marketing, it is more targeted. Okay, it is more targeted than any other kinds of your marketing. So here, suppose if you are manufacturing for your rich class people, at that time you will go only for those people, you won't come for your middle class. Okay, for example, your Audi cars and all. So these Audi cars, have you seen the advertisement of Audi cars for low class people or middle class people? No. Okay, it is more targeted, that is they target only on the rich class people. That's why you cannot find more advertisements for these products and all. Okay, then time and money saving. Okay, how it is time and money saving? Because here you are not focusing on each and every customer, you are focusing on specific customers only. Okay, that's why your time will be saved and even your money will be saved. That is, there is no need for you to go for more advertisement. Okay, so that's why you can save your money as well. okay. Then ability to identify and concentrate on most profitable customers. So your niche marketing helps you to identify first and concentrate on most profitable customers, okay. Now suppose there is a dentist, okay. Now that particular dentist has finished is practicing and also now he has started, he or she has thought of starting a new clinic, okay. So there are lots of customers, okay, for dentist also there are lots of customers, maybe on the basis of age. So people of all age require a dentist if they have a problem in their tooth, okay. So what that dentist will choose, that one will choose only a particular group, maybe near a school, okay. Near a school means what, you are focusing on only on the kids, okay. So starting what happens, some kids will come with their parents, so they will feel happy with you and they will share their experiences with other kids. The other kids will go and tell their parents and they will come to your clinic. So here what happens, being a dentist you could have gone for everyone, okay, but here you are focusing only on children. So that is what, focusing on kids, that is your niche, okay. So here you can only concentrate on the most profitable things, okay. That is, you only want kids to be your customers, so you are giving your best service to the kids and you are attracting the people who are of that age group, okay. Then avoid unprofitable market. So here you can easily avoid the market which is not profitable for your, okay, that is, you can eliminate the sales in such market. The next one, lesser competition. See, in your niche marketing, that there will be lesser competition, okay. More competitors will not be there. For example, again your aloe vera juice, okay. How many companies are producing aloe vera juice? Hardly few of them, okay. A handful of them might be going for that, so there is lesser competition. Then spending less on marketing and advertising, okay. Again the same thing over here, since there are less competitors, there is no need for you all to go for aggressive advertisement policies and all, okay, and marketing strategy. You can go for simple one, okay. So here there is no need for you all to spend crores or lakhs of rupees in your advertisement and higher profit margin, okay. Since there is lesser competition, you can totally focus on providing good quality goods, okay. So when you are providing good quality goods, you can keep your margin, okay. You can keep more margin. You can see any brands, okay. You can see your Harley Davidson also, so the price is also costly over there. You can go for a BMW, Audi cars or any other cars, okay. So they are a bit they are a bit costly, okay, compared to some other brands, okay. So why? Because they have high profit margin, okay. Then improve product or service to meet customers needs. So as per your customers, that is, as per the class which you are choosing, you have to customize your service and you have to meet your products over here, okay. Now see, it is a digital market, okay. Digital in the sense, now everything has become digital payment. So you can see in your Instagram, you can see in your Facebook and all, as more, there are lots and lots of pages who are going for customization, okay. Why this customization has come? It is also a niche market, okay. See, they are going for everything over there. No, everything means what, they are focusing only on a particular set. So there are lots and lots of pages which are offering you customized birthday gifts, okay, personalized handmade gifts, okay. So why? Because they are focusing on only that set of people who want that product or service. Not everybody is going to demand your product, but you are focusing on that product or on that customer base who want your product, okay. Now for example, you in your Dairy Milk also you can find the customized one. You can write your name or you can apply a photo and all. So that is what it is, personalized service, okay. That is niche, okay. Niche means what, only specific people you are going to concentrate, okay. So now since it is a digital world, you can find it out digitally, that is, what is the age group you are going to concentrate, okay. So in Google, if you search AdWords, you will find the data of the people. Using that data, you can go for your marketing, okay. And in niche marketing, what happens, you can grow very fast, okay. So niche marketing, very important. Once again I'm telling you, okay. So it's very important from the point of view of your examination, and this benefits, you have to write the explanation also, okay. Just don't write the points and keep, just give 2 or 3 sentence explanation for everything, okay. So I hope this thing is clear to y'all. If not, then you can ask me, okay. So thank you, have a nice day.